Unlocking the magic of adverb plus adjective collocations. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of adverb plus adjective collocations. This is an essential part of English language learning, as it helps you sound more natural and fluent when speaking or writing. Let's get started. Adverb plus adjective collocations are a common type of collocation in English. They are combinations of words that are often used together, where an adverb modifies an adjective. Examples of this pattern include absolutely fantastic, utterly ridiculous, and incredibly easy. Using such collocations can enrich your English vocabulary and enhance your communication skills. Let's explore some examples of adverb plus adjective collocations. This will help you get familiar with this pattern. 1. Highly beneficial. Something that provides a lot of help or advantage. 2. Deeply regrettable. Something that you are very sorry or sad about. 3. Completely wrong. Something that is not correct at all. 4. Fully aware. Knowing or understanding everything about a particular situation. 5. Extremely happy. Feeling very pleased or joyful. Now, let's try to create some sentences using these collocations. This practice will help you understand how to use them in your daily English conversations. 1. The training program was highly beneficial for my career development. 2. It's deeply regrettable that we had to cancel the event due to bad weather. 3. Your answer is completely wrong. The capital of France is Paris, not London. 4. I am fully aware of the consequences of not meeting the deadline. 5. He was extremely happy when his team won the match. Feel free to create your own sentences and practice using these and other adverb plus adjective collocations. And that's it for today. We hope you found this video on adverb plus adjective collocations helpful. Remember, the key to mastering these collocations is practice. Try to use them in your daily conversations and writings. Until next time, happy learning, and keep practicing. Remember, English is not just a language, it's a gateway to understand different cultures and perspectives. So, continue exploring and expanding your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.